This is Mirta Ventura. I'm just wanting to redo my little introduction here because the one I posted was sideways and I couldn't figure out how to fix it, so I'm going to try a different way. Anywho, just to get going, I'm originally from a small town in the Rio Grande Valley named Edcouch in Texas, and I moved to Providence, Rhode Island when I was 18 to attend Brown University, and I've been here for the last 16 years, so I've been here for quite a while. During that time, the majority of that time, I've worked at Dorcas International Institute of Rhode Island. I've taught for 8 years. I taught AB, GED students to help them get their high school credentials. You see a little snapshot there of me and some of the students. And then for 2 years, I have been managing the AB, GED, and ESL programming at our agency. During that time, in the last, 6 to 8 years, but really in the last 2 to 4 years, I have worked at the Roger Williams University School of Continuing Studies as a continuing education instructor and a tutor. And recently, in the last year, I became a board member for the Academy for Career Exploration here in Providence, Rhode Island. My goal in this class is really to explore the path of technology and how it's going to affect education, how it will affect the workforce, and then in particular I have special interest in how we can retrain adults because that's something that we're focusing on here in Rhode Island at this point. I jumped the gun here with this picture, but the top 3 things that I would get an A+ in are rugby. I'm a rugby player, and I've played for the last 12 years, I think. Then I have a very large family. Here you'll see me with my nuclear family, and then my mom's side of the family and my dad's side of the family. So we're very tight-knit, even though there's a bunch of us. And lastly, I love to collect things. I would get an A+ in collecting things because right now I have 2 examples here are coin collection and trading card collection. And I'm always looking at collecting other things. So that's a little bit about me.